Have you ever wondered how to capture the beauty of the world around you? Photography is a skill that can turn ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. With a keen eye, a splash of creativity, and a basic understanding of the principles of photography, you too can immortalize the beauty that surrounds you every day. Let's dive into the world of photography. The first step in your photography journey is understanding your equipment. Whether you have a high-tech digital camera or just your smartphone, learning your way around your device is key. Explore different settings, buttons, and features. Familiarize yourself with terms like exposure, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Next, practice framing your shots. The rule of thirds, a fundamental principle in visual arts, can drastically improve the composition of your photos. Imagine a grid dividing your frame into 9 equal parts. The points where these lines intersect are where the eye naturally goes. Placing your subject at these intersections can make your photos more balanced and engaging. Lighting is another crucial aspect of photography. Good lighting can transform an ordinary shot into a masterpiece. Natural light is the best friend of a photographer. Dawn and dusk, often referred to as the golden hours, provide the most flattering light. Understanding focus is equally important. A well-focused photo is more than just sharp. It's about directing the viewer's attention to the most important part of your image. Now, don't forget about the importance of experimenting. Photography is an art, and like any art form, it's all about expression and creativity. Don't be afraid to break the rules, try new techniques, and develop your unique style. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you photograph, the more you'll improve. You'll start to see the world in a new light, noticing details and moments you might have overlooked before. To summarize, photography is about more than simply pressing a button. It's about understanding your equipment, mastering the art of composition, manipulating light, and focusing on what truly matters. It's about capturing moments and turning them into timeless memories. Embracing photography as a hobby can provide numerous benefits. It can help sharpen your observation skills, unleash your creativity, and provide a sense of fulfillment. It's a way to document your life, express yourself, and see the world from a new perspective. So there you have it. The basics of photography broken down into manageable steps. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to capturing the beauty of the world around you. Remember, the key to great photography is not the camera, but the eye behind it. Happy shooting!